Hi guys, welcome back to Mini Shorts. Today, continuing on the theme of patch repairing the boot section. Just because we're not, as we know, buying a full boot floor, we're not going to spend all the money on a genuine battery box and deal with all the stress of trying to remove these reinforcing sections and all the lip on the inside where where you see from this one, where this would be welded to the floor all along that lip there. Now this piece is the piece that I've cut off the top of a Magnum battery box because they're only cheap. However, having watched lots of other videos, I know that they're a terrible fit. So what I thought I'd do is get rid of this rotten metal from the original, and you can see this. I'll show you the right side of it. Maybe there you can see there's pitting of the metal all the way down to where I've cut, and it's pushing that joint open where it's rusting there. So you know, needed to cut down to that level. You see there's a slight taper on here, you know, on the sides. Well, the Magnum box doesn't have that. That's just upright, square, whatever. So what I thought I'd do was just you can't see from that side really. Yeah, here we go. So go all the way down to the bottom of where the taper stops, and where it is flat on that side, well, level on the boot floor, and just cut it to there. Now the other reason for going flat is this is actually still slightly wider, which is why it's an absolute nightmare to try and fit one in, or one of the reasons why. So what this allows us to do is get flush on this side, and this side, because it's actually not bad for length, it's just the width that's slightly wrong, and then we allow it to run out slightly over the boot floor here. You can see that should be a full width anti-rip corner there, but it's not quite. We're going to be covering that when we got it in place. We're going to be covering it very slightly. So what I'm going to do is just butt weld these two together all the way around, and then butt weld it onto the floor here. How am I going to do that and keep it in place? These clamps, what they do is they allow you can see one fitted here, allow you to hold two flat sheets of metal, with slight separation obviously, in place, so then we can put some tack welds in, and then we'll remove these afterwards. So if I just put you down somewhere, sure, if I put you there, maybe you can see me fitting the next one. So all we're doing is we're going to poke that through there, and then on the inside we will put that bar like that, and then I'll tighten them together to squeeze the metal. So hopefully I can do this on camera here. Poke that through there, keep it as far pushed through as I can, and then on the inside of the boot you can see my bar here. I'm going to put that into the hole, and then I can move this along to where I want it, and then we just tighten that up. Try and keep that pushed down, tighten that up there. Then what that's done is it's given us this fairly secured, got a bit of a gap here. I might have to just take away some metal somewhere just so this can join up. Alright guys, just wanted to show you that really. Thanks for joining us. See you later.